What is the value of a, given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 150? Then let's have it to be solution from here. So we have 5 to the power of a in common, so we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of a. So we open the parentheses. 5 to the power of a divided by this will give us 1, plus this 5 to the power of a divided by this will give us 1, equals 150. So from here we have 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us 2, equals 150. So dividing through by 2, obviously that this will cancel out this. We have only 5 to the power of a left, equals 150 divided by 2 will give us 75. So from here we have 5 to the power of a. We can have 75 as 5 times 15. But let's put them in parentheses. So having known this one, let's introduce log to both sides. When we introduce this log to both sides of this expression, then we are going to have log 5 to the power of a equals log 5 times 15. Then recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to base to be m multiplied by log p. Also, when we have log a times b equals as log a plus log b, we have to apply this multiplication that changed to addition here. We have to apply this power that comes down to base here. So we're going to have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 15. So dividing through by log 5 to get the possible value of a, this will divide by this, will give us 1, multiplied by a. We have our a back, so here will be a equals log 5 plus log 15 divided by log 5. Then let's divide this log 5 by this and this. So we are going to have a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 15 divided by log 5. So from here we have a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5. It will give us 1 when this divided by this plus log 15 divided by log 5. But mind you that we can also have 15 to be equals 5 times 3. So let's substitute this 15 here and see what will happen. So we have a 1 plus log 5 times 3, then divided by log 5. A will be equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. This multiplication of this will change to addition as this. A will be 1 plus, divide this by this separately. So here will be log 5 divided by this log 5 plus log 3 divided by this log 5. A will be equals 1 plus log 5 will divide by log 5 will give us 1 plus log 3 divided by log 5, a will be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 3 divided by log 5. Then let us recall that when we have log of a that divided by log of b equals as log of a in base b. So when we apply to this one, definitely we are going to have a to be equals 2 plus log, our a is 3, log 3 in base 5 to be the final answer for the value of a. So now, this is the value of a. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Then let us verify. So now to check, recall that we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 150. Then a equals this. When we substitute it, we have here to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 150. So this repeated 2 times, we can factor it out to be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 in base 5. When you open the bracket as this first term here divided by this, we have here to be 1. This second term here divided by this, we have here to be 1. Then it's going to give us 150. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 in base 5. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. Then it's going to give us 150. Recall that anytime when you have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when you apply it here, meaning we are going to have this to be 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 3 in base 5, then multiply by 2. So going to give us 150. 5 to the power of 2 will give us 5 times 5, which is 25, times 2 times 5 to the power of log 3 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 150. 25 times 2 will give us 50 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 3 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 150. Anytime when you have a to the power of log b in base a, so far this base and this are the same thing. So the output of this expression will be equals to b. Meaning that this base 5 here is the same thing as this base. The output will be 3. So definitely here will be 50 times 3, which equals 150. 3 times 0 will give you 0. 3 times 5 will give you 15. Making it to be 150 equals 150. The left hand side equals to the right hand side. So this implies that a equals 2 plus log 3 in base 5 satisfy the problem given to us. So if you are new here once again, don't forget to share. Bye-bye.